Hello traders, welcome to a quick intraday video update in which I want to take a look on the Euro Aussie. So as you know, we have been looking for first long here. Actually, it was last week. Then I said that we will remain active with the second pending order at lower levels because clearly I saw evidences of a corrective price action because it's generally speaking very slow move compared to previous very strong rise. So this was an impulsive reaction and this appears to be correction. So now when we have seen a nice push to the upside, I'm even more confident that sooner or later higher prices will be seen. So we have seen a breakout of an ending diagonal, and as you know, when ending diagonal is finished, usually you will see a retracement back to the starting point of an ending diagonal, which is actually here at this wave B levels. So we have seen a very nice sharp move to this zone. It's impulsive, while current downside reaction should then be corrective. So I think that this can be a wave 2 and that sooner or later we will see a new push higher. So new invalidation level based on the short-term levels should be here. Okay, so to minimize the risk, definitely this level should be tracked very closely, because break above that level would make the wave count and structure even more complex, and who knows what will come out from there. So as long as we are above this level, I think that there is a good chance that we will continue higher. So generally speaking, everything, this idea came out from EURAUD, which, as you know, is clearly in a bullish trend. So I have seen a free wave retracement back to the area of a former wave 4. So technically this trend still remains in bullish mode since start of 2017. I'm looking for another leg to the upside. So into short-term trades have room for more upside, definitely. So why I picked the Euro Aussie instead of Euro dollar is because Aussie dollar, as you know, has unfolded to the downside in impulsive fashion. So obviously this is much weaker pair compared to Euro dollar. So definitely want to trade stronger against the weakest. So Euro Aussie was the best choice, especially if we consider that, as I highlighted several times last week, that we have seen a very strong decline on stock market. So what I noticed is that actually, if we go back to Euro Aussie, what I have noticed is that actually this move to the upside, okay, that began at the start of February, okay, actually unfolded, actually occurred at the same time when stock market also moved to the downside. Okay, so despite some corrective recovery on stocks, which I think that sooner or later we'll see limited upside, we do not see a reversal, any significant drop on Euro Aussie. What we see is only sideways price action. So now imagine if stocks once again drops, then clearly this could make a very strong move to the upside on Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie can continue higher if we see stocks move to the downside, or it can stay sideways or even stay bullish even without help of the US stock market. And I think that this is coming then from potential higher prices on Euro Aussie, even if stocks will stay sideways or even bullish. So higher prices on Euro Aussie in such case could come from Euro dollar, which, as you know, has a very clear pattern. As I said, we have seen a nice bounce from the previous area of a wave 4, and this appears to be some kind of an impulsive reaction to the upside. We have seen a very nice deep move into this wave B. So we have a lot of good technical indicators that suggest that we will continue to see more upside on Euro. Okay, so watch out for this Euro Aussie, watch out for Euro, because I think that there could be more gains coming. On the downside, I think that any deeper pullbacks will be only corrective. Okay, traders, thank you very much for your attention, and see you with more charts in the chat room and also on our website. Bye.